Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my first ever Halloween tutorial. I call her a three-eyed fortune teller, three-eyed gypsy, whatever makes you happy. She can be whatever you like. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Enrica Fox, this is the picture. First I'm going to start, I guess, how I normally would. So I'm just going to start off with my Pinkness Forever Flawless Beauty Oil. And just rub it in. Alrighty, so in the picture she's doing more of a red, but I'm doing a purple color. So she brought the color all the way up into the brow, and it kind of fades into a darker tone as you know the further down goes into your eye. I think I'm going to be using like 5,000 different palettes because I don't have one palette with really crazy colors. So I'm going to start off, oh, can't even open it, with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And just a fluffy blending brush. Just doing the purple all over my eye in a very light wash. And remember, it's Halloween, y'all. There's no rules. There's no rules. You can do whatever you want. Make it look however you want. Make it as dark, make it as light as you like, and don't let nobody tell you otherwise. I have this Boxy Charm and Pure palette. There's names. Just kidding. This one's called BFF. It's this darker purpley color. She's cute. I don't know, I hope my little head wrap is showing up. It looks red. It looks red on camera, but in person, it's definitely, I don't know, almost holographic. Like you see different colors in it, but in person looks more purple, so. I ordered this stuff off of Amazon. This was Amazon, earrings, Amazon, and then as we get on, I'll show you more stuff, all Amazon. Honestly, it's very simple. Like she just pretty much has her red all over, like I said. And then dramatic lashes. I actually did order contacts, but they won't be here until like Halloween, literally. So you're gonna have to deal with these poop brown eyes, y'all, because what's a girl to do? Okay, so it's a pack of 3. They just say glam, volume, sexy on them, and fashion eyelashes. This is what the box looks like. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'm back. All I did was pop on some lashes and put on my usual foundation. Oh, and these Amazon lashes, they cute. I approve this message. It looks like she does have either just double stacked lashes, which I'm not going to do because my eyes are sensitive and these are the most for me as is. So you can either do double stack lashes or you can definitely do some sort of wing. And in the picture she also put lashes, falsies underneath over here. Once again, too much for me. I can't. This is pretty cool. It literally feels like, I don't know what it feels like, but it's cool. Honestly, to me personally, squigglies and stuff a little hard, so I wouldn't go crazy with it if you find it difficult the way I do, because it's not that deep, y'all, and that's it. Oh, I ordered these little purple gems off of Amazon, and I'm just going to use eyelash glue to stick these babies on. Okay, so the beads I got, the gold ones, are a little bit smaller than I anticipated. But we gonna make them work. Don't break your teeth trying to do this, cause my chin is the most, so let's see if this sticks. And if it does, I'll be impressed. So far so good. Okay, she's coming together. Okay, so I had to refilm my eye, or I thought I was refilming, and my camera was not recording. So I did not like the way it came out first try, so I went with a more traditional-ish evil eye look instead. I do apologize for thinking I was filming it and I wasn't, but I pretty much did similar steps, just the outline, skipped the whole fake lash thing, just drew the spikier, you know, evil eye kind of look. So yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.